Comfort is central to our needs. The primary function of a thermostat is to make sure your environment is always comfortable. But everyone has different preferences. Depending who's in the space, you might want to heat or cool to different temperatures. The GLAS Smart Thermostat can ensure your comfort while managing your energy usage. With GLAS, you don't have to sacrifice your comfort for energy savings. In this tutorial, we'll help you understand set points, temperature preferences, and the arrival anticipation and pre-start features to be sure you're using the functionality in GLAS to achieve both a comfortable environment as well as your maximum energy savings. Set points indicate the temperature ranges GLAS uses in conjunction with the auto, heat, and cool modes to keep your space comfortable. Let's take a closer look at each of these. Auto allows GLAS to determine if your space needs heating or cooling to reach your comfortable temperature preferences given the outdoor weather. Heat only allows GLAS to run your heating equipment to reach your comfortable temperature preferences. And the cool mode allows GLAS to only run your cooling equipment to reach your comfortable temperature preferences. While GLAS suggests some default set points for each mode, you may have individual preferences based on how you use your space. You can pick your temperature set points during your initial GLAS configuration, and you can also change them later in the Comfort section on the Temperature Preferences screen. See the Energy Savings tutorial to get the detailed steps on how to change your temperature preferences. GLAS has 3 states that control your system to heat and cool your environment to a comfortable temperature. Away is for when you're not present in your space. The vacation state is really a subset of away, but is meant for away events that are longer than a day. Home is for when you're present in your space. And sleep is for when you're present and sleeping. So what does this mean for you? If you choose your heating set point of 70 and your cooling set point of 72, then your GLAS Smart Thermostat will run your equipment more to keep your space within that small range, and you may not save as much energy. Here are some tips to consider as you set your temperature preferences in GLAS. Choose temperature preferences to allow a wider temperature range between the set points in order to increase your energy savings. Keep in mind that you can't set your temperature preferences closer than 2 degrees apart so that your system doesn't get overloaded. And pick temperature preferences that you're comfortable with, keeping in mind the humidity level in the space. Let's look at a few examples. If you're in Florida, your summer cooling temperature preferences can help you moderate how to keep your space cool enough to get it back to your comfortable temperature when you return. If you're in Wisconsin, your winter heating temperature preferences can help you moderate how to keep your environment warm enough to get it back to your comfortable temperature when you return to the space. No matter where you live, by making smart choices on your comfort preferences, GLAS can keep you comfortable and reduce your energy bill. GLAS has 2 other options to maximize your comfort. By enabling arrival anticipation, GLAS will learn when you typically come home from an away event and will heat or cool your space accordingly so the environment is ready and comfortable when you arrive. If you turn on pre-start, GLAS will gradually heat or cool to get your space at a comfortable temperature before you wake up, leave for work, or get home. Now that you understand set points, temperature preferences, and the arrival anticipation and pre-start features in GLAS, you're ready to personalize your GLAS Smart Thermostat to enjoy both a comfortable environment and energy savings.